Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're just starting your journey to learn English, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to practice 20 super common and useful sentences that you can use in your daily conversations. This is a great way to build your confidence and improve your pronunciation. The best way to learn is by speaking, so I want you to listen carefully and then repeat each sentence after me. Are you ready? Let's get started with our English speaking practice. Our first sentence is a simple greeting. Hello, how are you today? Repeat after me. Now, let's ask for someone's name. What is your name? Repeat after me. When you meet someone for the first time, you can say this. Nice to meet you. Repeat after me. To ask about someone's origin, you can say, where are you from? Repeat after me. If you need assistance, this is the perfect phrase. Can you help me, please? Repeat after me. When something is unclear, just be honest and say, I don't understand. Repeat after me. If you're shopping and want to know the price, ask this. How much is this? Repeat after me. To ask for the current time, you can say, what time is it? Repeat after me. Feeling a bit peckish. Here's what you say, I am hungry. Repeat after me. This is a very important question when you're in a new place. Where is the bathroom? Repeat after me. When you're leaving, wish someone well with this phrase. Have a nice day. Repeat after me. A casual way to say goodbye is, see you later. Repeat after me. If you're thirsty, you can say, I need some water. Repeat after me. To talk about the weather, you could say, it is sunny today. Repeat after me. To ask for someone's opinion, use this question. What do you think? Repeat after me. When you want to express that you enjoy something, simply say, I like this. Repeat after me. To get someone's attention or apologize politely, say, excuse me, sorry. Repeat after me. If you didn't hear what someone said, ask them this. Can you repeat that? Repeat after me. It's helpful to let people know you're a learner. I am learning English. Repeat after me. And finally, to show your gratitude, say thank you very much. Repeat after me. Fantastic job, everyone. You've just practiced 20 essential English sentences. Remember, consistency is key. The more you practice, the more natural and confident you will become. Keep practicing these sentences every day and you'll see a huge improvement in your speaking skills. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's all part of the learning process. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more English learning content. Keep up the great work, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.